For me, baking has always been about those moments of kind of quiet joy. The reason I started baking in the first place was having a bad day at work, coming home, zoning out from anything else that was happening, and kind of losing myself in the kitchen. My name is Edd Kimber, I'm a baker and cookbook author, and my latest book is Small Batch Cookies. I think for me, inspiration kind of comes from anywhere and everywhere. It's about kind of keeping your eyes open and being open to taking on new ideas and not being too restricted to what you already know. I think the way I bake is first and foremost, do I like it? Do I want to make it? Do I want to eat it? I like to make things that I think are delicious, because if I think they're delicious, then hopefully I can translate that into a recipe, and then hopefully other people will find that delicious too. One of the reasons that I like Nordic Ware is I like simple, classic bakeware done really, really well. So I like something that is really high quality, but also does its job really well. Simple things, but done in a way that means the quality will last. Small batch baking kind of came into my life because of COVID. Like many other people, we were stuck at home. I would bake things kind of just for us, for the two of us. And it kind of really fit into our lives a lot. And I kept thinking, this seems to be a really obvious way to bake. Thankfully, there is a growing awareness of small batch baking. More people are doing it. It needs less ingredients. It takes less work. Cooking is what fuels us. Baking is what brings us joy. Baking should be about those joyous moments because it's completely additional. We don't need it. So if we're gonna make them, it should be something special and something fun. And I think for me, cookies kind of fill that position really well because offer someone a cookie, they're gonna say yes.